masters of disguise. Frogfish use their bodies as camouflage. Check this one out. A hairy fish. It looks like it has hair all over its body. But these are filaments and part of the frogfish skin. This hairy frogfish blends right into an octocoral garden. He uses camouflage as both protection and prey. He hunts for fish while trying not to get eaten. Frogfish are in the anglerfish family and get their name because they use the esca to fish for fish. The esca is the appendage attached to its head that it throws out like a lure. This hairy frogfish was originally feeding on a bunch of cardinalfish hovering about a foot off the bottom when a lizardfish landed about 8 inches away. The lizardfish didn't see the frogfish, and the frogfish slowly, inch by inch, moved its way over to the lizardfish. He took nearly an hour to move 8 inches. And then, bam! In less than 1/25 of a second, the hairy frogfish swallowed the lizardfish whole, and the lizardfish was still shaking in its stomach. Frogfish, they fish for fish. Give the gift of the ocean today. Dive into your imagination creates entertaining education for all ages. Get the Dive into Your Imagination series today.